Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to be looking at this all-blue 2018 Harris 240 Solstice. Here on the interior, we have a desert camel interior color. This layout is considered to be our single lounger layout. As you can see, has nice layout benches here in front. Each end of the layout has a nice flip-down armrest with a cup holder. Flipping back to the aft here, it's got a nice round bench seat. And again, there's storage under each and every upholstery cushion. This bench flips back and forth. That way, if people would like to sit in the rear while you're underway, it's actually legal to do so on this particular boat because of the fencing there. It's powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury engine. It's got a 4-step ladder in back, which is absolutely wonderful to help aboard. Here at the helm, we have a nice fully tall captain chair with a flip-up bolster, so you can sit on the bolster or you can sit in the regular seat there. This boat is equipped with lights in the cup holders as well as rope lighting. It's got a Polk head unit and of course your tachometer, GPS. It's got everything you possibly need. It's got a nice leather wrapped steering wheel and everything. The flooring is infinity woven flooring. It's tough on any sort of spills, scratches. If you have dogs, it's a great place to have your dogs in this boat without ripping the flooring. So again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Check out this boat today or one of our other many boats here in our warehouse. We also have a number of boats lined up in our show floor room. So lots of boats to choose from, 2018 and 2019 models. Hope to see you soon.